The stochastic is one of the most famous indicators traders use. However, what if I told you that there is an updated version that is more efficient, easier to use, and significantly more profitable? It might sound unbelievable, but today we are indeed diving into an advanced version of this classic indicator that's about to change your trading game. Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicators series. Today we will explore the Zurich filtered case permission stochastic, an innovative indicator that combines the power of the stochastic with advanced smoothing techniques. We will test it across more than 4,000 trades and get ready because it will be one of the best indicators I have ever tested in this series. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So, as usual, let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type Zurich Filtered Case Permission Stochastic or JFKPS, and it will be this one provided by Locks. By definition, the JFKP stochastic is an advanced trading indicator that combines multiple elements to enhance the accuracy of the stochastic signals. It is formed by the Zurich filter, a smoothing technique that reduces market noise, the case permission, which filters fake signals, and by the stochastic, which identifies overbought and oversold conditions in the market. By combining these three elements, we have an indicator that gives precise and profitable trading signals. This tool is plotted on your chart as a two lines cross indicator, and it is very simple to use because it tells us exactly when to enter in a new trade. When these long signals in yellow appear, it means you can take a long or buy position. And when these short signals in pink appear, it means you can take a short or a sell position. By default, its settings are 9, 5, 3 and 10. But to clear some fake signals, like these ones here, I prefer to increase the stochastic smoothing period to 6. As you can see, in this way we can clear some fake signals and make the indicator more accurate. But of course, to discover if this indicator is really profitable or not, we will need to backtest it. To do this, we need three things. First, the technical system, second, the risk management rules, and third, the testing conditions. Regarding this last step, we will backtest this new stochastic indicator on the 30 minutes, 1 hour and daily time frames, using data from 2022 and 2023 across a diverse asset portfolio: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. For the risk management, I will use the same method as in all the other episodes by using the ATR bands indicator, a volatility indicator that places the stop losses directly on your charts according to the market's volatility. To know more about it, you can check the most viewed episode of this series regarding the squeeze momentum oscillator. Finally, regarding the technical system, in addition to the improved stochastic, I will use a 200-period exponential moving average as a baseline to filter out losing signals from the indicator. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here we have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. And in short, these are our backtest conditions. Let's now see how this new stochastic indicator will perform. To speed up the backtesting process, I will head back to the Indicators tab, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. If you are not familiar with this tool, it allows me to test endless combinations of strategies and indicators quickly, simply and efficiently. With a selection of almost 70 indicators, including trigger, exit, volume and baseline functions and ongoing additions, it offers a flexible platform for traders. Joining me, over 100 traders currently use this tool with outstanding feedback. For more details, click on the indicators ranking link, which is in the first comment down below, and then click here. Once we have set all the conditions we discussed earlier, including the Zurich filtered case permission stochastic with the settings of 9, 5, 6 and 10 and the 200 period EMA with the baseline function, the trading bot will display every valid trade on the charts. It also provides monthly results here and the overall statistics for each asset I want to backtest in the Strategy Tester tab. With my premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot performs, which I will use to compile the trading journals. I will accelerate the backtesting process, but feel free to adjust the playback speed in the YouTube settings if you prefer a slower pace. I'll see you in a minute. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 4,700 trades across the 3 different timeframes, and the results are really impressive. In the 30-minute timeframe, after more than 2,800 trades, it achieved a win rate of 52.42% and a net profit of 302%. Here you can check other metrics like the average drawdown and the Sharpe ratio, and also the results of every single asset. By looking at the equity chart, we can verify that in this time frame, this simple strategy has a good equity curve and with a growing trend, one of the best ones we have seen so far in this series. Then, in the 1-hour time frame, after more than 1,800 trades, this indicator achieved a win rate of about 52.28% and a total net profit of 187%. Again, here you can find other metrics and also the results from every asset. And below, we can see the equity curve, which is again very acceptable and also with a growing trend. These little periods of drawdown can be easily fixed with a filter or a volume indicator. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 76 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 51.32% and a net profit of 5%. Therefore, based on this comprehensive analysis across multiple timeframes and assets, we can confirm that this improved version of the Stochastic is efficient and has a lot of potential. Of course, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success. For example, going to my indicators testing bot, I can change the take profit method to a trailing stop loss, where we can see that the net profits of this simple strategy, for example in the 1-hour time frame from Ethereum, increase a lot, from 38.73% to 67.38%. And just like I changed the take profit method, I can insert a volume or filter indicator to increase the strategy's efficiency. In our ranking sheet, this new Stochastic easily gets the 2nd place, which is wonderful. Tell me in the comments if you agree with this position or not. If you have ideas for indicators to test in future videos, don't forget to share them also in the comments or in my free Discord community. Also, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website, algotradepro.org. For trading and investments, I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as 0 commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I see you in the next episode.